Xperia Z1 is groundbreaking. It's built with the very same components as Sony's leading compact digital cameras to give you the most outstanding picture quality possible. The award-winning Sony G lens is a 27mm equivalent wide-angle with an extraordinary bright f2. The custom-designed Exmor RS image sensor is the world's largest in an Android smartphone. And the intelligent Bions for mobile image processing engine helps achieve noise reduction and image stabilization. This unique combination, along with 20.7 megapixels and a sensitive ISO 6400, gives you the best overall image quality of all leading smartphones. It lets you take beautiful pictures in low-light conditions without flash. Thanks to the high sensitivity, the high shutter speed lets you take blur-free images even when your subject is moving. Zoom in 3 times without losing any details. Superior Auto recognizes scenes in an intelligent way. It is optimized for 36 different scenes and makes your shots look the best in all situations. The 5-inch Full HD display will make your pictures look amazing. And Xperia Z1 is waterproof. It's the world's best camera in a waterproof smartphone. You can take the camera experience even further. Imagine having optical zoom. With the QX100 attachable lens-style camera, you can. The best of Sony is now even better.